I'm here with Alex Fitzgerald, founder and CEO of Isembard, a fairly recent investment for Notion. So Alex, why don't you tell us what Isembard does?
Well, Isembard is the manufacturer for critical industries. So we really take the pain of manufacturing away from those customers. So think about us a bit like Foxconn, but for critical industries.
Okay, great. And can you give us some sense of why you selected Notion as your venture capital partner?
Well, first of all, I think there's you've done some investing in a similar space with some hardware-enabled systems and machines. So that's one, and seen as one of the top investors in Europe. But I think that the one candidly for me was it was a personal relationship with you, Joss. I think having someone in Europe who's actually started and scaled a business, multiple businesses, means I think you can just be that much more empathic and be both standoff, but also push in where you actually know when to push and when to hold off.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's good to hear. And then, in terms of Notion's kind of looking at the market and our decision to invest in Isembard, I think when I met you, I'm very focused on the founder and the quality of the founder, and I felt that you'd really gone deep into the industry and how software and AI could potentially transform an industry which was in need of transformation, in need of better productivity, better optimization, more kind of capability within the UK, within Europe. I thought you had massive ambition to build Europe's first $1 trillion company, which I love. But I think Isembard as well, sort of more broadly, fell very neatly into what's kind of a new category for us, which is what we're calling software in the real world, which is how AI and software combines with physical environment to optimize industries that were previously kind of unavailable to off-the-shelf software, like manufacturing or logistics or infrastructure. So I think when I look at precision manufacturing, it was kind of it's a massive industry, but it's kind of a cottage industry that really is lacking in innovation and scalability. So I think in the way that you are leveraging software and AI, but also the franchise model to address those concerns, for me, led me to believe that this is a massive opportunity and you kind of got the right strategy to really unlock it.
Yeah, and I think I'd add to that, I subscribe to the view, if you're a venture investor, you need to be investing in N of one companies, and you can't necessarily think something's happened in the US, so where is the European version of that? So I mean, the analogy, the best social network to invest in was Facebook, the best search engine was Google. So having that mental plasticity, I think, is quite key when we're really trying to merge three different areas which never really spoken to each other: manufacturing, software and technology, and AI, and then a franchise. And it's those kind of merging of the three which is something new.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, good talking to you.